Assam administration takes major steps to restore normalcy after communal unrest. Crucial peace talk held between representatives of two communities. Assam Rifle Director General Lieutenant General Vikas Lakera calls on Chief Minister N. Biren Singh deliberated on various progressive activities undertaken by Assam Rifles. Hello and welcome. You're watching ISCOM English News and I'm Ruby Unkai with you. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. In the wake of recent communal violence that has gripped the state, the Jiribam district administration has taken decisive action to restore a sense of normalcy and security in the region. The catalyst for these efforts was a crucial peace talk held between representatives of two communities. Following these discussions, a significant development unfolded today as a group of Mar residents from the Kali Nagar area of Jiribam were escorted by district police and CRPF personnel to their homes after months of displacement. This Mar individual has been displaced from their homes and sought refuge in the neighboring Kasar district of Assam after the outbreak of the communal clashes. Today marked the first time they were able to travel back and attend to their properties and daily necessities after being away for several months. The Jiribam district administration has placed a strong emphasis on facilitating the return of displaced residents from all affected communities, though it was not permanent return to their home, but it has given a ray of hope for their strategy to rebuild harmony and stability in the region in the aftermath of the recent unrest. Assam Rifles Director General Lieutenant General Vikas Lakera, accompanied by IGAR South Major General Rafroop Singh, called on Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren Singh at his official secretariat yesterday. During the meeting, Assam Rifle Director General and Chief Minister deliberated on various progressive activities undertaken by the Assam Rifles, while stressing on the necessity to work in the interest of the general public and aspirations of the state government towards the welfare of the people. Chief Minister N. Biren appreciated the Assam Rifle for extending the dedicated services in maintaining security in the state while working with commitment in enforcing law and order and protecting lives and properties of Indian citizens. Earlier on the day, DGAR Lieutenant General Vikas Lakera also visited headquarters IGAR South at Mantipukri in Imphal. He was briefed by IGAR South Major General Rafroop Singh on the prevailing security situation of Manipur. DG Assam Rifles visit comes just a day after the visit of GOC headquarters 3 Corps Lieutenant General Abhijit S. Pandakar in the state. On receipt of reliable input from 46 Assam Rifle with respect to the presence of warlike stores in general area of Purum Pantha under the jurisdiction of Waikong Police Station, a combined team of Kaching Commando Unit under the command of Waikong OC, a platoon of ACOI 126 BSF Battalion, and a column of 46 Assam Rifle conducted a cordon and search operation at Purum Pantha area. The operation started at 5:30 a.m. and concluded around 7:30 a.m. After an intense search operation in the area, the security forces recovered 151 mm mortar without bearing registration number, 4.36 HE hand grenade, 1 Bofang walkie-talkie with charger, 2 country-made single barrel, 1 country-made carbine, 1 country-made revolver, 84 5.56 mm rounds, 40 shotgun cartridges, 2 Lathot bombs, 7 tear smoke shells, 2 wood piercing shell and 1 rubber bullet. A case has been taken at Waikong Police Station and being investigated into. The India Meteorological Department IMD has forecast very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall over northeast India for the next 2 days. A heavy rainfall is expected over Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. Eastern parts of the country, including West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha, are also expected to witness heavy rainfall for the next few days. Due to persistent rains in Manipur and various parts of Kakching district over the past few days, the general public has been advised to remain alert and take necessary precautions to avoid loss of life and property. Meanwhile, the Indian Meteorological Department IMD has forecasted heavy to very heavy rain in the coming days. The IMD has issued certain guidelines and instructed the general public to remain alert for possible floods and breaches of riverbanks or embankments. Stay updated with the latest weather forecasts and warnings from local, state and national authorities. Ignore rumors and stay calm. Stay away from vulnerable structures, trees, landslide or flood-prone areas and unattach metal sheets. Prepare an emergency kit with essential items such as non-perishable foods, water, torchlights, first aid supplies and medicines, and avoid area prone to waterlogging. Children and elderly have been advised to stay indoors unless unavoidable while keeping emergency contacts handy. The IMD also instructed to avoid vulnerable structures, unattached metal sheets, banana trees and papaya trees. It also asked to postpone agricultural and related activities until the weather improves. Now let's have a short commercial break. We'll be right back.
Optima BPO Services is hiring customer service executives for both voice and non-voice processes. Candidates must have completed at least Class 12 and possess excellent communication skills for the voice process. Applicants for the non-voice process should have a typing speed of 40 words per minute. We prefer candidates with a minimum of 1 year's experience, although freshers are also welcome to apply. Our salary structure is based on commission only. For more information, call 8794275358 or walk in for an interview between 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. Monday to Saturday.
Welcome back. In a proud moment for Manipur, actress Angobi Chanu received a special mention for Best Actress at the Tilsri International Film Festival 2024 for her debut performance in the film Before I Leave You Again. This film, which marks Angobi's transition from a successful modeling career, having been crowned Femina Miss India Manipur and representing the state at a national level, has been widely acclaimed. Directed by Yogesh Lohent, Before I Leave You Again not only brought Angobi her first acting accolade but also won Best Cinematography, awarded to Arjun Kukreti, and an honorable mention for Best Actor awarded to Rohit Giri. The film is produced by Biju Thangjam, Sudeep Kuraijam and Olivia Sijagurumayum under the banners of Cicada Film Production and Mira Lights Productions. Now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Jiribam administration takes major steps to restore normalcy after communal unrest. Crucial peace talk held between representatives of two communities. And Assam Rifles Director General Lieutenant General Vikas Lakera calls on Chief Minister N. Biren Singh deliberated on various progressive activities undertaken by Assam Rifles. That is all we have for now. Thank you for watching ISCOM English News. Stay tuned as more news updates will be coming up at 8 p.m. Until then, have a good evening.